Since he met his new dog, Jatin never seems to be blank home. Option is A. By, B. On, C. In, D. At. Answer is option D. At.
He has blank vegetable for 10 years. Option is A. Grow, B. Grew, C. Grown, D. Growing. Answer is option C. Grown.
I am not interested blank buying a new car now. Option is A. To, B. For, C. In, D. At. Answer is option C. In.
I'm so hungry. I blank lunch yet. Option is A. Didn't have, B. Don't have, C. Haven't had, D. Haven't have. Answer is option C. Haven't had.
His wife is suffering blank hepatitis. Option is A. In, B. From, C. With, D. Of. Answer is option B. From. Did you know, giraffe do not drink much water, despite having a large body?
My parents have been married blank 49 years. Option is A. Since, B. For, C. Until, D. From. Answer is option B. For.
It blank every day since I arrived here. Option is A. Will rain, B. Rain, C. Has rain, D. Rains. Answer is option C. Has rain.
My friend always blank my birthday. Option is A. Remember, B. Remembers, C. Remembered, D. Is remembering. Answer is option B. Remembers.
According to the weather report, it blank cloudy tomorrow. Dot. Option is A. Will be, B. Is B, C. Is going to, D. A and B both. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
My brother is a writer. He blanked 5 books. Option is A. Will write, B. Wrote, C. Is writing, D. Has written. Answer is option D. Has written.
I was visiting my best friend blank the hospital. Option is A. Off, B. At, C. On, D. In. Answer is option D. In.
I blank Lalit for many days. Option is A. Remind, B. Am reminding, C. Have been reminding, D. Reminded. Answer is option C. Have been reminding. Which animal is coming?
Lion.
No, it's a tiger. Did you know, unlike most other cats, tigers are great swimmers and actually they like water.
Anita blanked me yesterday. Option is A. Calls, B. Call, C. Called, D. Will call. Answer is option C. Called.
Blank English for 2 years. Option is A. I was studying, B. I make studying, C. I have studying. D. I have been studying. Answer is option D. I have been studying.
I think she spent the entire afternoon blank the phone. Option is A. In, B. For, C. On, D. At. Answer is option C. On.